Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rhythm Heaven. To begin, understand that most games use very simple controls, often just one or two buttons or a tap. Your main task is to press or tap in perfect sync with the music. Every minigame has its own unique set of actions, so pay close attention to the instructions. Listen closely to the beat and watch for visual prompts to guide your timing. Aim for a superb rating to master each challenge. Mastering Rhythm Heaven is all about internalizing the beat. Try tapping your foot or nodding your head to the music to really feel the rhythm. Many minigames provide a clear audio or visual cue right before you need to perform an action. It's often best to prioritize the sound, as visual prompts can sometimes be a tiny bit off. Repeated practice is key. Playing each game several times helps build muscle memory and refines your timing for a perfect score. To progress in Rhythm Heaven, you typically need to earn at least an OK rating on each minigame. Achieving a superb rating on all games within a specific set often unlocks a special perfect campaign. These campaigns are tough, requiring you to complete a game flawlessly, without a single error. Successfully completing games and campaigns also unlocks fun bonus content, such as rhythm toys, extra games, and even music, adding more challenges and enjoyment. For the best experience and highest scores, always play with headphones. This helps you hear every subtle audio cue and minimizes outside distractions. Remember, while visuals are helpful, the audio is usually your most reliable guide for perfect timing. If you find yourself struggling with a particular game, take a short break. Sometimes stepping away for a few minutes can significantly improve your focus. Also, be aware that some games might have a tiny input delay, so try anticipating the beat slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.